The ARIS Gallery you may know from ARIS Process Mining is now also available for business process analysis, enabling quicker time to value for your projects. You can install the content directly within ARIS. Go to the app switcher and open the gallery, then go to Get Started to activate your first accelerator. Choose, for example, Activate ARIS for Compliance Management and click Install. During the import, you see the databases and filters included in this accelerator. After a successful import, you can start immediately. Go to Edit Models and Objects. In the ARIS repository, you now see the newly imported database. Expand the folder to see what's included and start your project. Using the ARIS Gallery, you benefit from an ever-growing range of pre-built accelerators for your BPM journey, and you can explore new use cases for faster value creation.